Good morning, class. I hope everyone had a great weekend and everybody is ready to come in and learn today and has their thinking cap on. Because today's going to be a little bit more challenging than on Friday. I know it's been a couple days since we last went over perimeter, what we learned on Friday, but can anybody please raise their hand and let me know and tell the class and remind us what a perimeter is? Anybody, please? Yes, Jamie.
The perimeter is adding up all the sides of a figure.
That's a good example, yes. But can we get maybe a little better of a definition? Anybody, please? Mackenzie, yes.
It is the length of the boundary around a shape.
That's right, Mackenzie. That's very good. I know you were paying attention on Friday. The perimeter, again, class, is the boundary around a shape, but it's going to be a closed plane figure, and it's the length of its boundary added up together. So also remember, class, that the perimeter is always measured in units of length. So the perimeter is the, again, like I said, the boundary around the boundary. For example, class, if I'm going to review one more time. If I have this rectangle here, or let's scratch that. Let's make this a square. So if I have a square, and these are my lengths of the side, 2, 2, 2, and 2, can anybody please tell me what they think the perimeter is going to be? Yes, Kelsey.
8?
Good. That's right, because 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Each side of the square is 2 centimeters, so it's going to be 8 centimeters long. Together. So today we're going to move on to something a little more complicated. We're going to move on to the area of a rectangle and a triangle. The area of a rectangle has a formula that I am going to write down, and I want each of y'all to memorize. The formula is simple, and all it is base times height. So everyone please write that down on their paper. Okay, so the area is base times height. So it's very simple. All you're going to do is, again, if I have, let's say I have this rectangle here, and the measurements are 2 and 7. All I'm going to do is multiply 2 and 7 because 2 equals my base is 2, and 7 is my height. So 7 is my height, so you're going to multiply 2 and 7. So 2 times 7
is 14.
Is 14. Okay. So right here I have a rectangle piece of paper, Kelsey, and I've already measured out my sides. And my first measurement is going to be, the height is 3, and the base is going to be 8 centimeters. So my height again is 3, base is 8. What is our first step that we're going to do?
Well, I think you do 3 times 8.
Good, okay, it's going to be 3 times 8. And what is 3? It's base times height. Let's review that again, class. Base times height. So the base 3 times the height.
The height is 3.
Oh, you're right. Sorry. The height is 3 and the base is
8.
So
therefore,
what do
you multiply the two numbers and you get 24.
Good. Okay, so 3 times 8, again, that's very correct. 3 times 8 is 24. Good. That's a good job.